I need to get all this dust stuff out. Hi, and welcome back. I think this morning, getting here kind of early, we're gonna work on the inner part of the bed, try and get all that paint and rust ground down removed. Gonna try to do it all today. If we don't, then I'll split it in half and do the next half next time. But I think here in the near future, we are gonna move this truck this way. That way we can move the Bronco around back there. Also, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. Would never thought I'd hit 400, let alone 150, 10 people. It does mean a lot. It really does. And thank y'all for coming back and watching what I put out. I know it's not much at the moment, but I hope here in the near future to be more than just removing rust and paint and painting. I want to get into the real suspension and engine and transmission, all that stuff here within the next 6 months or so. Especially this one, we got a lot to do to get it going. So hopefully I'll be a little more exciting than what I've been doing. But like I said before, gonna take y'all on everything I do. If it's just removing paint and rust and painting over it, I got to get it done. So, but before too long, we'll move on to more exciting things and come along this journey with me, and hopefully we'll get one of these going by spring and we can enjoy it and go to some car shows and such. It does really mean a lot. Thanks. All right, doesn't look so bad. Down there's pretty dinged up. I think it'll be okay for now. Just trying to get it covered with some paint. But we're gonna get in here and get all this white, all that rust taken care of. I think I might start back here today, work my way that way. Because I know there's a lot of dirt dauber's nests and stuff in that piece there. That's what I plan on doing. Like I said before, I may try to push this as far as I can that way. That way maybe I can get the Bronco out that door so we can spray it off or something. But anyways, yeah, tonight or today, we're gonna do that. Well, got a little bit done, not much. Got that post, need to get in that crack, but I think my wire wheel is long enough. I think all the, we get new one, it was a little bit longer. For some reason I can't get in there as good as with my other one. I don't know if because the head of that's too kind of bulky, but I'll get in there with something, get that kind of sanded down, especially in this corner here. But I think through here, I was gonna lightly hand sand it. Lightly hand sand it. It's really hard to get anything in there, and I'll have to get something to get in that corner down there. But I think we're in a pretty good spot. Just like I said, these corners around the tub, corner up. Get this sanded back down and sand all that back down. Lightly sand in here. There's not really that much rust other than in the corners. So get that all kind of knocked down a little bit. Then we'll be ready to spray some paint. Need to get all this dust stuff out. Yeah, not too much, just more paint and rust removal. Thank you again for 400 subscribers. It does mean a lot. So I got for you today. See you next time.